Here is a quick little video on how to do the bonus page for Monday's Math. It's called Roll a Sum, and I'm going to display how to do this using the internet-based dice program that I showed you. So here's my die, and I'm going to use a six-sided, so just a regular dice, and I'll roll it, and my first number is 1. And so then what I'll do over here is on my paper, I'll write down 1 because that's the number that came up first. And then I want to find out what number I'm going to be adding to that one. So I'll roll again. Got 6. So over here, type in the number I got it 6. So now what I need to do is I need to add. I need to get this purple number. So red and blue together make purple. And you can see here that 1 plus 6 equals 7. All right, so now I need to do this side before I can do the symbol because I need to find out if 7 is going to be greater than, less than, or equal to this answer to this number sentence. So I'll roll again. We have a 3. So over here, put a 3, and then we'll roll one more time. We have a 5. So we'll put down that 5, and then inside the purple I need to add that 3 and that 5. What's 3 plus 5? That's right, it's 8. So now what I'm doing is I'm comparing the 7 and the 8. Which one is greater? Is 7 greater than 8, or is 8 greater than 7? That's right, 7 is less than. So I need to drag my less than symbol and put it there and show that Mrs. Smith, she didn't do the right symbol. Did you notice? Because we need to have the shark eating the bigger number. Oh my goodness, Mrs. Smith. So if you want to fill out 5 questions from this page, you want to save it for Wednesday, you can do all of them, however motivated that you're feeling. What you'll be doing is writing down on your paper the different numbers that you roll, finding the answers, and then writing down the correct symbol, the correct shark. And all you have to remember is that the shark wants to eat the bigger number, and if the two numbers are the same, what do we use? We use the equal to sign. Okay, I hope this helps, and that you've enjoyed working with your die and with your shark. Talk to you soon.